Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this Waigo hobby, the new Avante Mark 3 specials, and the item number is 92430. So let's open it, see what's inside. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so let's start from the body. The body for this the Waigo hobby specials, the Mark 3, it's like the carbon fiber Mark 3 body. So I don't know, like if you guys remember, I think that was last year or a couple years ago. To me, it has carbon fiber, the Thundershot body, and that one is only available in Japan, and it's only, I think it's only a giveaway as like a gift. It's not belong to any units. Okay, so and that's only available in Japan. But now, because the Waigo hobby, they have the same option for us, because you can see this, the carbon fiber looks the Mark 3 just like this. Okay, and that is the poly body. Okay, and also this is the stickers for the body, and this sticker is basically for the wheels. Okay, later on I will show you in the pictures. Okay, and then we go for the chassis, and the chassis is the MS chassis. Okay, and not MSL. Okay, this is the regular MS chassis, and this is the one of my favorite chassis. Okay, and the material is the ABS. Okay, and then this is also the chassis, front and the back, also black, and the parts is also the black. Okay, black. Okay, and then is the wheel is the yellow medium size wheels, and the material is PP. It's very hard to see, but it says PP over here. Okay, and then the tire is the soft tire, a medium size soft tire. Okay, and but it's the clear one, so that's we can see from the box. And the gear is the 3.5 high-speed gear and the low friction rollers. And the pinning gear is the the purple pinning gear. Okay, and for the picture, the stickers I show you for the wheels, you can see on the box. You can see that's how those stickers works. So just put on the wheels and put the clear tires on, and it looks beautiful. Okay, so now let's take a look at how it looks like after we build it. All right. Okay, so after you guys see how it looks like after we build it, and so I will say this car, for myself, it will definitely become one of my collections. Because first of all, the body is really hard to find, and this is the only one so far I know it comes with this kind of the body with the unit. So this one I will definitely get one in my collection box, and just as my collections. And the second is the, like I said, the MS chassis. As you guys know, watching my videos, my channels, I'm the MS lover. Okay, I will love MS chassis, and this is the MS chassis I will love to using to build my car, no matter is suspensions or whatever. This is my particular chassis I will choose for my MS build. Okay, so basically this is everything for this car, and so hopefully I will see you next time, and then we're gonna unboxing more car what we just got new release. All right, so I will see you next time. Bye bye.